What are you saying?
I am asking them to speak in English. I'm from South Sudan.
Okay. What are you asking? Asking me what you're asking.
They are asking me to give them 1K each. They will talk to me in English about Uganda.
So are you giving us money because we are speaking English?
No. I want someone to address something important.
Like what?
Regarding Uganda, about the event, what is going on today?
Today is Independence.
They are speaking in Ugandans.
Okay, today is Independence.
Okay.
10th October, right? That is when we got our independence.
I know that one.
We got the independence in 1962 October.
Okay.
10th. Today is when? Lero meka. Tamanyi Uganda. Lero meka. But when I'm speaking, you have to give the money you promised me. I'll share with them.
Yes, I will give. But what were you trying to speak? Can you address to her in Uganda?
What you're asking me, I'm already giving you the answer.
No. Wait.
Which is taking
No, not about the event. I know about the event. I know
but
everything.
you have to pay. We have to.
I will pay. Don't worry about money. What we love? Ask him. He was speaking something in Uganda. What was it about?
I don't want to talk with you. First, you money. I don't want to with you. If anybody know my English. Yes.
I'm telling him. He said I have to give him money. Then he will talk to me. Ask him what will he talk to me about? What will he talk to me about? What will you talk to me?
He wants 1,000.
Okay.
Give him money.
Then what will he talk to me about?
He will tell you after giving him money. His problem is 1,000.
Give me change. I will give you 1,000. Yes, I will give.
Give the money to him. He's going to tell you the problem on camera.
You have.
Nanya change. Agambe kaina change.
Okay, wait. You give him 1,000, okay?
I'm going to give you.
He will give you. Now come. You give him 1,000. So I can give the money on camera now. No, I'm talking to him only. No, it's okay. Wait.
What's it? What's it?
Gabi ngoma.
Ask him. No. He will talk. Now where is he? Let him talk. Where is he? I want to hear from him.
He's going to come.
Okay. Okay, guys. They were asking me to pay them, then they will talk to me in Uganda. I mean in English. I don't know what they were trying to talk about. Yeah, most of them they don't know the local. They don't know how to speak English.
We not speak English.
Yeah, he knows how to speak English. It's not about speaking English. It's about addressing. Yeah, he knows sweet potato is English. It's about addressing.
They can understand.
Yeah, why did he run? Where is he? He just disappeared, right? Where is he?
Don't come back.
He left like that. Okay. He just left like that, guys. So you good? Anyway, he left. I thought he will speak to me. That's why I don't want to give money at the first point, guys. But those people, it's crazy. This is crazy, man. But anyway, I was expecting him like to speak something important, because from the first beginning, the way they were talking, I felt like they have really something important to address to the people of Uganda. But now they just go on with the money. It's okay, that's fine.